Looking for the best motherboards for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 motherboards that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a motherboard that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended motherboards. Number 1 on the list is Gigabyte Z690 Aorus Pro. At around $330, the Gigabyte Z690 Aorus Pro is a mid-range Alder Lake motherboard that covers all the bases very well, with minimal sacrifices. There are ample storage options, including 4 M.2 sockets, updated audio, and a new appearance. Performance, thermals and overclocking were also well within the range of other Z690 boards we've tested so far. Between its 13 USB ports on the rear I/O, 4 M.2 sockets and capable power delivery, all at a price that's well below flagship options, there's a lot to love about the Z690 Aorus Pro. So long as you don't require integrated RGB lighting or Wi-Fi 6E out of the box, you still get Wi-Fi 6. The Gigabyte Z690 Aorus Pro is an excellent Alder Lake motherboard to build your Z690 system around. Second on the list is MSI MEG Z690I Unify. MSI's MEG Z690I Unify comes loaded with features including 3 M.2 sockets, 4 SATA ports, the latest generation flagship audio, Thunderbolt 4, 40 Gbps Type-C ports and integrated Wi-Fi 6E in this diminutive package. Its only real downside is that you'll find just 6 USB-A ports on the back. You get all of the above for $399.99, or about $30 more than the previous gen version. The compact black motherboard packs a punch both with the hardware that comes with it and performance, easily matching larger ATX boards overall. There's lots of competition in the Z690 Mini ITX space from all the major motherboard makers. But for its price, the MSI MEG Z690I Unify has the most features and connectivity users are likely to look for in a small form factor board, making it the best option for those looking to build a small but powerful 12th gen Intel Alder Lake rig. Number 3 on the list is MSI MagB660M Mortar Wi-Fi DDR4. So long as you don't plan on overclocking your CPU or want to use PCI 5.0 devices before your next upgrade, the MSI MagB660M Mortar Wi-Fi DDR4 and its B660 chipset makes for a great option for those looking to get into Alder Lake without putting a heavy burden on your build budget. It lacks the fancy looks or RGB lighting of pricier boards, but does come with everything you need to get the most out of a stock clocked Alder Lake CPU. The Mortar includes 2 PCI 4.0 x 4 M.2 sockets, 6 SATA ports, a premium last generation audio solution and VRMs that easily manage the flagship Core i9 CPU. Performance results on our B660M Mortar were similar to those of the Z690-based DDR4 boards we tested previously. In other words, this sub-$200 motherboard was able to utilize our i9 to 12900K processor to its fullest while costing a third less than most Z690 offerings. Number 4 on the list is Asus ROG Maximus XIII Hero. The Asus ROG Maximus XIII Hero has the premium parts and attractive looks to stand out despite its fairly high price. From its clean, high-end appearance to the robust power delivery, 4 M.2 sockets and a premium audio solution, the Hero is a well-rounded, feature-laden solution in the upper mid-range of the Z590 motherboard space. With more than capable 90A power phases and dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, plus the 4 PCI 4.0 M.2 sockets and premium audio bits, the board justifies its $499 price. Performance compared to the other Z590 models we've tested to this point was spot-on and often negligibly faster in many of our tests. Memory testing went without a hitch, with DDR4 3600 supported at 1.1 and easily handling the DDR4 4000 kit. And overclocking testing proceeded without any issue. Number 5 on the list is Asus ROG Maximus XIII Extreme Glacial. The Asus ROG Maximus XIII Glacial is a full-featured Z590 motherboard that include robust power delivery, premium audio with a DAC, 5 M2 sockets, 10 GB and integrated Wi-Fi 6E and includes a custom water block. While pricing is tough to take, the Extreme Glacial, $1,499, represents what flagship-class motherboards should be. Just now is a list of 5 best motherboards that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.